Hi, Mr. Simone here with a science lesson about butterflies. Science for second grade, the life cycle of butterflies. So today's goals, we're going to review what insects are. We're going to learn what makes a butterfly a butterfly. We're going to learn about the parts of a butterfly, and we're going to learn about the life cycle of a butterfly. So review what makes an insect an insect. Attributes of insects are they have an exoskeleton, that's the outside shell that they have. It's on all of their body parts. They have three main body parts: a head, thorax, and the abdomen. They have two antennae, six legs, and most of them have wings. Let's look at the bee here. So he has a head, a thorax in the middle, an abdomen at the ends, two wings, 1, 2, 3 legs on this side, and I'm going to bet that he's got 3 legs on the other side, and he's got two antennae, all attributes of an insect. So what's not an insect? Let's see what we got here. Pretty, definitely not an insect. A little boy is not an insect. A cat is not an insect. So I got here a bee, that's an insect. Butterfly, we said that one. What do we got here? Spider. See, 8 legs. I don't see any antennae. I don't see any wings. Right. Spider is not an insect. It's an arachnid. So goodbye, spider. So what about this caterpillar? Is that an insect? It doesn't have all those attributes. It is. And I'm going to tell you why in just a minute. So what is a butterfly? A butterfly is a flying insect, large, usually colorful, scaly wings that loves to eat nectar. That's right, they eat nectar from flowers, and they go to the next one and they bring in for pollen, and that pollen mixes, and that way they can make new flowers. So they are pollinators like bees. So a butterfly and a moth are not the same thing. They look the same, but they have a lot of differences. See, a butterfly will have bright colors, a moth usually dull. At rest, butterfly's wings are up like this. And for a moth, the wings are back and down. Look at these antennae here in the butterfly. You see they're straight and they have little clubs at the end of them, unlike the moths, which are feathery and pointed. And butterflies are diurnal, that means they're active during the day. And moths are nocturnal, which means they are active at night. So they look the same, but they have a lot of differences. There are several species of butterflies. Just what we have here are ones that can be found in New Jersey. So there's so many more than that all across the world. So let's look at the parts of a butterfly. Butterflies have antennae, head, thorax, abdomen. They got 6 legs. They got wings, just like every other insect. Let's talk about the life cycle of a butterfly. So all insects go through a life cycle. They will look completely different at each stage of the cycle. And unlike most other animals, regular animals look pretty much the same from a baby to an adult. So if you think about a baby human, it kind of pretty much looks like a human adult. Just like a kitten looks like a big cat, and a puppy looks like a big or grown-up dog. They all look the same. However, for insects, it's going to be quite different. So we're going to look at the life cycle for a monarch butterfly. All right, so start off with the egg stage. Butterflies start out as an egg. She sits and waits to hatch. Next is the larva stage. So out of the egg comes a caterpillar. She hangs around on a plant, the same plant she was an egg on. She eats and eats and eats until she has enough nutrients to make a chrysalis. for the pupa stage. So what is that? Let's check it out. So this is how it looks over time. Caterpillar into a pupa, to the pupa stage. So now she has made a chrysalis. The chrysalis is this shell type layer around her, and she calls herself a pupa now. She's inside of this, and she waits again until she's ready to emerge as a butterfly. Sorry if I spoiled that for you. Yeah, I think you might have already known. One more thing. This is not called a cocoon. It's called a chrysalis with a pupa inside. Cocoons are completely different. Moths will be in cocoons. Don't make that mistake, that so many people do. So this is emerging. So this is the very end of the pupa stage. You can see the colorings coming in, and then it comes out of that. And finally, she is a beautiful butterfly. She will find a male butterfly to mate with, and she will lay eggs on a leaf of a plant. And this whole thing will start all over again with that egg, going through everything. So that's why we call it a cycle. It just continues and goes on and on from egg to larva to pupa to adult, egg larva to pupa adult, egg larva to pupa adult, over and over again. So that's what we call a life cycle. And this is your seesaw seesaw assignment that you're gonna have to do. The directions are there, and I'm gonna talk about that a bit later. So quick wrap up of the lesson. Butterfly is an insect with large colored wings that eats nectar. Moths and butterflies are not the same. And the life cycle of butterfly is 4 parts: egg, larva, pupa, and finally the adult stage. Thank you for watching my lesson, and I urge you all to go outside if it's nice out and look for some butterflies. Thank you.